Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again, Big up respect and manners to each and everyone. Now, let me start off this video like this, my people. You have some people who know easy, Yeah, man, you have some people who know easy. Because I saw a video on social media that shows a man inside of a house. And based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video depicts that someone caught someone inside of a house. And I soon show you the video, viewers and subscribers. In the video, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person was letting the man who the person caught in the house know that the person should get out of the house and other things as well. So I say, now allegedly, it is said that the man threatened the person and at least one other person. See? And in the video, me can hear when the person who caught the man basically, I let the man know, say, that the person will go to the police or police station or something like that. My people, for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present the video to you. You might be surprised to see some things that happen in this video. Observe for yourself.
Come out. I'm afraid I'm not in there. Nafi! You're already up on camera, Steve. You're already up on camera. And don't fucking come back over here. I'm afraid I'm more as man in the light. Me, I go to a station. Yeah. Watch me, your blood clot. Me not sleep at night time. Me not sleep. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me, Steve. Shoot off of me.
Now, my people, you see why I say a person, me can't hear the voice, and you don't know, people can sound certain ways, so I just say a person, because me have a good identity of whosoever the person be. Now, my people, if you find yourself in a situation where you catch somebody inside of a house that the person is not supposed to be in, what you do? What would you do? Leave your answer in the comment section. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a post on a social media page for the Jamaica Constabulary Force that made me somewhat laugh, but me not take it for joking, my people. Me take it serious. But it's the way how the post had been made on social media with certain words. It are coming like the Jamaica Constabulary Force and say, oh, yo, me and someone out upon the road, See? Now, me get the understanding that the post had been made pertaining to a multi-motor vehicles accident that happened along Constant Spring Road, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Yeah, that today me attack, the incident happened today, the multi-vehicles accident happened to the viewers and subscribers. So, I'm going to read from the post because this post I really and truly have me eye open. Listen. So, this are the post now. The police will continue to write tickets and arrest on warrants for traffic offenses, Commissioner of Police Anthony Anderson said during a JCF press briefing that is currently underway. That the post said, and the Mrs. saying. So, another part of the post said, while giving an update on the 8th vehicle collision on Constant Spring Road this morning, the commissioner explained that the driver who caused the crash had 120 outstanding tickets. You hear that, my people? 120 outstanding tickets. You see? Now, I do not want to say a whole lot about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, because I got the understanding that some allegations had been made about the situation as well, too, Yeah, so I look on it, but I want to say big up and respect to all of the good drivers them out there, or I say good motorists then. You see me I say, and though to each and every motorist and pedestrians, only just use the road safe and be careful upon the road. You understand? That's all me can say about that situation there. Now, I got information that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was shot and injured in downtown Kingston today. That's the 1st of November, the year 2022. And it is said that the incident happened not really far from a police station. Now, I got more than one information as to how the police officer had been shot and injured, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to tell you both of them the best way I can. So, I got one information that the police officer was at a certain location and shots was fired and the police officer had been shot and injured. It is believed that the police officer might have been shot by one or more than one persons. And when it comes on to the other information that I got, it is said that the police officer was on a motorcycle or traveling on a motorcycle when he had been shot and injured. So I don't know which one of those information are accurate, but may I tell them both. All right? It is said that the police officer was taken to a hospital, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information about the police officer's medical condition. Alright, now my people, before me end this video, me just talk about this whole situation where it is said that a female died and some allegations had been made on social media about a person who goes by the name of Russian Patterson on social media, to my knowledge. You understand? So viewers and subscribers, I got information that Russian Patterson might meet with police on Thursday. See? Thursday. Today are Tuesday. Thursday. So today are Tuesday the 1st of November. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows the Commissioner of Police, Anthony Anderson, and the Deputy Commissioner of Police, who goes by the name of Fitz Bailey. You see me I say? And some things on me here, Fitz Bailey said in the video, and based on information that I got as well, I got the understanding that Fitz Bailey indicated that Russian Patterson might or is to meet with police on Thursday. So me just give the information as best as I can, my people. I don't want to tell you say, oh, that happened when I not really saw it happen. You see me I say? Yes, so me get the understanding that the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Fitz Bailey, made the disclosure during the Jamaica Constabulary Forces monthly digital press briefing on Tuesday. This whole matter is about the body of a female who goes by the name of Slickian on social media that had been found some time ago, viewers and subscribers, alright? So, based on some things that I heard the Commissioner of Police said in the video, I got the understanding that he basically said that there's nothing to indicate that Russian Patterson left the island or the person that they might talk about leave the island. You understand? So big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You don't know me there to keep you up to date and posted with certain things while go on worldwide, not just Jamaica. Alright? Big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla.